Alrighty guys, in today's video TruCUT RDWorks, we're going to be looking at grouping shapes within your design. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here, just a quick reminder that this is a mini-series on the design, where we'll be covering different design principles and some measuring methods as well. I'll also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to grouping, this is quite a handy tool if you want to move, let's say, multiple shapes, or you've made a design and you want to make sure everything stays within that layout. So even if you move it, rotate it, they don't work individually. And also something to keep in mind about grouping, that you can ungroup it, so it's not permanent. It's not like you've now joined the shapes and this is not just a new shape. So now let's just have a quick example of a few. So I'm just going to grab this thing, scale it a bit smaller. Let's say we want to add an ellipse over here. It's going to first use control, get the size I like it, move it. Now let's maybe add another shape up here, just rotate it a bit. So now what we can do is, as you guys can see, if we move this, they move individually. We can try and move it together, but it can get quite messy quickly, especially if your design is quite complex. So what you can do is you just select these shapes, and then on top here we've got these group options. So we've got the auto group in the middle, and then the ungroup. So I'm going to click the middle one, and as you guys can see, all the colors has changed, stayed the same, so you can still have different cut properties for them. But if I select this now, it selects it as a single object. Now you can obviously just select this and hit auto ungroup, the ungroup button, and then it will be individual shapes again. So I'm going to group it again. And the auto ungroup, how this works, auto group, I keep calling it ungroup, is it will group shapes within shapes. So if we have these three shapes here, if I had to hit the auto ungroup, sorry, I apologize, I keep saying auto ungroup, the auto group, it will only group shapes within shapes. So this group shape will actually not become part of the group. So if we hit this, you can see this is still individual, but now these two are a group. So it's just something to keep in mind with auto group, the way that works. Now, grouping is also very useful when you're working with mirroring and stuff, which I will cover in the next video. But otherwise, just a quick recap. So we get the auto group, which is group shapes within shapes. Then we've got a normal group, which will group anything you have selected. And then we obviously have ungroup. But otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.